Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, charge your AirPods Pro and open the case so the LED can show status. On Windows, go to Settings Devices Bluetooth and make sure Bluetooth is enabled and the adapter is recognized. Then press and hold the setup button on the back of the case for about 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes white. Once done, your PC is ready to find a new device, so stay on the Bluetooth pairing screen and move to the next step. Now pair them. On the Bluetooth page, click Add Bluetooth or Other Device and choose Bluetooth, then watch the devices list for AirPods Pro. Select your AirPods Pro and choose Connect. Windows may take a few seconds to install drivers. Allow it. Once connected, open Sound Settings and set the AirPods as the default playback and recording device if they don't switch automatically. Make sure to select the correct audio profile for quality versus micro. Finish by verifying the audio profile. Open Sound Settings, select your AirPods, and choose stereo for high-quality output or hands-free for mic use. This explains why call audio sometimes sounds worse. If pairing fails, reset the AirPods by holding the setup button for about 15 seconds until amber then white flashes, then repeat pairing. As a quick troubleshooting tip, toggle Bluetooth off and on or restart your PC. Many lingering issues clear with a restart, which forces the adapter and drivers to reinitialize.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.